Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to send your Instagram message with effects, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap on this messenger icon on the top right corner, and then go for the chat in which you want to send message with effect. Just simply here tap for your message. Once you tap it, then here you can see a search icon. Just simply tap on it, and then here you can find the effects on the very top. Here you can see different type of effects. Just select the effect which you like in this way. So that's how you can easily send your Instagram messages with effects. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you want the question, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll recommend you to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys.